Facilities management has become a true challenge in our current climate. Some facility operations are stretched well over maximum capacity, while others have too much excess capacity. In this climate of constraint, efficiency is key. This is why Servest computer-aided facilities management software is the way of the future. The Servest system is a web-based management console application which serves as a full-service desk, linking field staff and subcontractors with the back office via mobile devices. It includes comprehensive asset data collection and management functionality by utilizing GPS, camera, barcode scanning, logging time, and location. The system has a wide variety of modules to assist in managing assets, materials, resources, maintenance, fleets, workers, and subcontractors, as well as detailed reporting modules. The system provides seamless integration with back-office business application software such as accounting, HR, work management, time and attendance, plant and inventory, and supplier management, as well as customer information systems. Whether optimizing your internal resources, outsourcing your maintenance to Servest on an ad hoc basis, or outsourcing all of your facilities management needs to a dedicated Servest team, the Servest computer-aided facilities management system is fully geared to increase your efficiency, productivity, and accuracy, reducing costs and improving the lifespan of your assets. Servest Integrated Facilities Management. The future is here.